Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Another wave of DJI Mavic 4 Pro leaks has surfaced, offering an even clearer picture of what could be one of the most advanced consumer drones to date. Here's everything you need to know about the new features, enhanced handling, and upgraded camera system. Enhanced handling and usability. Auto power-on function. One of the most user-friendly upgrades is the rumored auto power-on feature. The Mavic 4 Pro is designed to automatically power up as soon as it's unfolded, eliminating the need for the traditional double-press power button sequence. This small yet significant change could save precious seconds during deployment, making it easier to capture those critical fleeting moments. Low-noise propellers. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with newly designed low-noise propellers, further reducing its sound profile. This not only enhances user experience but also makes the drone less obtrusive for sensitive environments like wildlife filming. The design tweak also contributes to an extended flight time, which now exceeds an impressive 50 minutes on a single charge. Improved remote controller. Accompanying the Mavic 4 Pro is the all-new DJI RC Pro 2 controller, which introduces a foldable screen holder for greater portability. The controller also supports DJI's upgraded OcuSync 4 transmission system, promising better range and reliability, even in challenging environments. However, it's worth noting that the Mavic 4 Pro will not be backward compatible with the Mavic 3's batteries or remote controllers. While this might be an inconvenience for some, it underscores the technological leap DJI is making with this model. Advanced navigation features. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to support a groundbreaking return-to-home feature that doesn't rely solely on GPS. If true, this could revolutionize drone navigation, ensuring safe returns even in environments with poor GPS reception. Camera system. A true game changer. The Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse in aerial photography and videography. Here's a detailed breakdown of its camera setup. Triple camera configuration. Main wide-angle camera. Sensor. 24mm equivalent 4/3 CMOS sensor. Features. Dual native ISO and an electronic ND filter for precise exposure control. This sensor ensures exceptional performance in both bright and low light conditions, making it ideal for a variety of shooting scenarios. Medium telephoto camera. Sensor, 50mm equivalent with a 1/1.3 or 1/1.5 inch CMOS sensor. Specific details remain unclear. This mid-range camera adds versatility for capturing subjects at moderate distances with excellent clarity. Main telephoto camera. Sensor, 166mm equivalent 1/1.5 inch CMOS sensor. This camera is designed for extreme close-ups, allowing users to capture stunning details even from far away. 100-megapixel photo mode. The rumored 100-megapixel photo mode isn't reliant on a single sensor but rather uses a multi-frame capture technique. By stitching together multiple images, the drone produces ultra-high-resolution photos, perfect for large-scale prints or detailed post-production work. Cine-level video recording. For videographers, the Mavic 4 Pro SC model steps up the game with support for ProRes 422HQ and 4444XQ codecs. These high-end recording formats cater to professional content creators who demand the best in video quality and color grading flexibility. Advanced gimbal design. The gimbal system receives a significant upgrade with a plus or minus 90 degrees tilt range, enabling more creative shooting angles. Additionally, the new design supports a true lossless portrait mode, perfect for creating vertical content optimized for social media platforms. Storage options. The Mavic 4 Pro offers two storage configurations. Standard model, 512GB of onboard storage. Cine Edition, a massive 2 TB, catering to those who shoot high-resolution video in ProRes formats. This onboard storage ensures faster data handling and reduces reliance on external memory cards, especially for high bitrate video recordings. Obstacle avoidance and navigation. Safety and precision are at the forefront of the Mavic 4 Pro's design. The drone is equipped with high-resolution fisheye lenses and forward-facing IR LiDAR sensors for obstacle detection. These technologies enhance detection accuracy and make the drone capable of navigating complex environments with ease. Despite earlier speculations, it's now clear that DJI is doubling down on advanced obstacle avoidance systems, ensuring that the Mavic 4 Pro maintains its reputation as a reliable and safe drone for all users. Parallels with the Matt Rice 4 series. Interestingly, Some of the Mavic 4 Pro's camera specifications align closely with DJI's new Mavic 4 series. This isn't entirely surprising, as the Mavic 3 shared many features with the Mavic 3. This crossover in technology suggests DJI is streamlining its product lines to deliver cutting-edge performance across its entire drone range. Key features at a glance. Here's a quick summary of the Mavic 4 Pro's standout features. Auto Power On. Simplifies deployment by powering on as soon as unfolded. Low noise propellers. Quieter operation and over 50 minutes of flight time. Advanced Controller. New DJI RC Pro 2 with OcuSync 4 for improved range and reliability. Triple camera setup. Includes a 24mm 4/3 CMOS sensor, 50mm medium telephoto, and 166mm telephoto camera. High-resolution photo mode. 100MP multi-frame capture for ultra-detailed images. Pro-level video recording. ProRes 422HQ and 4444XQ support on the SC model. Improved gimbal system. Plus or minus 90 degrees tilt range and lossless portrait mode. Obstacle avoidance. Fisheye lenses and forward-facing IR LiDAR for enhanced safety. Storage options. 512GB standard and 2TB for the Cine edition. Final thoughts. A new benchmark for drones. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone industry, combining advanced usability, unparalleled camera technology, and cutting-edge navigation features. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a photography enthusiast, or an adventurous hobbyist, this drone promises to deliver an exceptional experience. With so many exciting features and upgrades, it's clear that DJI is once again setting the bar for consumer drones. Stay tuned for more updates as they drop.